Hello praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. I am sorry that I was MIA last week. I was very sick, but I am back in action this week at CVS. Today is October the 23rd and we're going to be heading into CVS with some all digital deals. That's right, we're only going to be using our phone to get these deals. No paper coupons needed. Please join me on Instagram and Facebook, and as always, there is a principal breakdown in the description box. Please click on that. So let's go ahead and get started with some great deals. So the first thing are these Wick refills. These are usually $8.49. They're pretty pricey, but they're on sale at CVS right now for $5.99. We're going to pick up 2 of these, so our total is going to be $11.98. There is a $1.50 coupon on the CVS app. That's going to bring our total down to $10.48. Now, if you had another coupon, you could use that as well, but I just had the digital coupon. Then IBOTTA has a high value IBOTTA rebate for $6.50 when you buy 2 of these Wick refills, making our total $3.98 or just $1.99 each with this. I thought this was a great deal, and I love this blue one. This smell right here is my favorite. Now, I paid $1.50 each for these Tresemme keratins, but this is a glitch going on. So if you have the Tresemme paper coupon for $5 off when you buy 2, then it could make this a potential money maker. So you could possibly use that $5 paper coupon in conjunction with the CVS $5 coupon that's on the app. I'm just going to give you the deal that I did. So these Tresemmes are 2 for $6. It's going to make them $12 together. There is that high value $5 coupon on the CVS app. And then we're going to get back $4 in extra care bucks, making our total after the coupon and extra care bucks just $3 or $1.50 each. But like I said, if you have the $5 paper coupon, it glitches, and the paper coupon and the CVS app coupon both would work. So that would make this a $2 money maker if you had that coupon. But like I said, I'm just using digital coupons, but I will still take this Tresemme shampoo for $1.50 each. All right, so we have an easy peasy money maker on the Nivea lip gloss. Mine's usually located like on an end cap near the travel section. So these are usually $3.89 each. That's kind of expensive for some lip balm, but they're 2 for $5. And then there's a glitch going on where the $5 Nivea extra care buck is attaching. So what's happening is you're paying the 2 for $5 at the register, and then you're going to get back the $5 in extra care bucks. So that's going to make it totally free. On top of that, you're also going to submit to IBOTTA when you buy 2 of them. You'll get $1 back from IBOTTA. So this is going to make this a $1 money maker or a 50 cents each money maker on the lip balm. Great deal on this. Next thing are these Summer's Eve cloths. Now, these are $3.99, but they're buy one, get one 50% off. So when you buy 2 of them, it's going to be like paying $2.99 each or $5.98 with the buy one, get one 50% off. We're not going to have any coupons for this one, so there's nothing that's going to come off at the register, but you are going to get back $3 in extra care bucks. So $5.98, getting back $3 extra care bucks is going to make these $2.98 together, or about $1.99 each. We have another small money maker on the 99-cent Hallmark cards, and I really like these because these are Thanksgiving cards. They have the 99 cents for the Halloween and the Thanksgiving ones. So I went ahead and picked up these. You're going to pick up 3 of these at 99 cents each. Your total is going to be $2.97 for all 3. You're going to get back $3 in extra care bucks at the register. So this makes this a penny money maker for each one, or about 3 pennies for all 3 cards. So not bad to pick up something, especially if you're giving out little gifts at work to people. So there's two ways this deal might go, and I'm just going to show you one way first. Now this Colgate toothpaste, we get this all the time, is $3.99. We're going to pick up 2 of them, so our total is $7.98. Then we have this $3 digital coupon that you see here that's going to come off at the register, and then we'll get back $4 in extra care bucks after our transaction. So both of these toothpaste are going to be 98 cents or 49 cents each. I'm also going to try to submit to the coupons.com app. There is a $3 coupon on the coupons.com app. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, because it sees it on the receipt that there's a coupon that's already been applied. But I'm going to submit and see what happens. If I am able to get back that $3 from the coupons.com app, I'm going to have a money maker on my hands of, I believe, $2.02, something like that, if that works. If you haven't already liked this video, please do so, and make sure you subscribe to my channel so you know when all of my videos are coming up. Now, this is not the best deal, but this is my deal of the day. And the reason is because it's something that I need in my house. I do love these Zarbees Naturals, and I never ever get great deals on these. We usually pay full price for it, but we're going to be getting this for about $4. I was pretty excited about it. So this is a 3-way deal. What's going to happen is we're going to use the coupons.com app. We're going to use the CVS app, and we're also going to use the IBOTTA app for this. Hopefully the coupons.com app comes off just fine. So these Zarbees are $9.99. They do have the ones that are for older kids, and I believe those are about $10.79. We're going to use that $2 coupon on the CVS app, and then hopefully the $2 coupon on the coupons.com will also come off. In addition, we're going to use that $2, we're going to get back $2 on Ibotta. So after we use both of those coupons and the $2 rebate on Ibotta, it'll make these $3.99. So fingers crossed, it all works out just fine. I've already gotten my Ibotta rebate back for $2, and I've already used my coupon on the CVS app, of course. So just waiting to see back if I get the $2 on the coupons app. All right, guys, that's all I have for you today at CVS. My total came out to be about $13.90, which is pretty great. Waiting for those coupon refunds to come in. Please comment below your deal of the day so I can know what you really liked. And also, if I missed anything, I would love to go back into CVS this week and grab some more items. Don't forget about the printable breakdown in the description box that you can either print off or you can just pull it up on your phone to take in the store with you. All right, guys, I will see you next time. We'll be heading into Publix.